Problem?
Loose bales. Needs rethreading.
Do you need a hand?
No, I've got it. A brew would be good, though, if you're making one.
Oi! Nobody doing any work round here?
You're drunk. Go.
You go home. Except you don't have one, though, do you? Don't move it, don't move it! Hold it there, stay steady, whoa, 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 whoa! You all right? You all right? Get an ambulance now! I swear, I didn't see him, I didn't know he was there! Just do it! It's stuck, I can't move it! Don't try to. It's going to be fine, mate, I promise. There you go. Ambulance! Hang on in there, mate. Nearly here. Been trying to keep him awake, he keeps on blacking out.
His name's Andy, is it?
It is, mate.
Can you hear me, Andy? When did he start losing consciousness?
About 5-10 minutes ago.
But can you keep back, please? Does he have any medical conditions we need to know about?
Don't know.
Is he haemophilic, diabetic?
No, no.
Right, if you'll leave it to us, sir.
What happened?
He was trying to fix a hay baler.
What, has anyone phoned Diane?
Not yet, but...
Well, she needs to know.
No, I'll do it. I'll phone Bernice as well.
How the hell did it happen? Is he okay?
Yeah, he's, just a bit in shock, that's all.